Hi, welcome to the Greater Baton Rouge Skinny, brought to you by the Greater Baton Rouge Association of Realtors, sponsored by Union Home Mortgage. In addition to the quandary of ongoing housing price increases and affordability concerns in many U.S. markets, the first quarter of 2019 saw a fair share of adverse weather as well. Sales totals were mixed across the nation and sometimes dependent on what was a persistent wintry mix, especially in the Great Plains, Midwest, and Northeast. Meanwhile, new listings and total homes for sale have been trending lower in year-over-year comparisons in many areas, and last year's marks were already quite low. Pending sales increased 1.4% from March 2018 to 2,774 for the quarter. Closed sales decreased 4.6% from March 2018 to 2,203 for the quarter. Unseasonable weather played a part in sales declines for the first 3 months of the year, as did low affordability and inventory. Prices were up compared to last year at this time. The median sales price increased 3.3% to $199,000. Persistently higher prices are being driven by buyers willing to pay more for what they want, but industry watchers are beginning to question how much longer this can go on. Inventory levels market-wide increased 8.2% to 4,195 units. Year-over-year inventory increases are beginning to show up each month locally, but this is not yet the national trend. Month's supply of inventory was up 9.3% to 4.7 months. Supply will typically go up when sales are down and inventory is on the rise. Percent of list price received at sale decreased slightly to 97.5% since last year. The Federal Reserve recently announced that no further interest rate hikes are planned for 2019. Given the fact that the federal funds rate has increased 9 times over the past 3 years, this was welcome news for U.S. consumers, which carry an approximate average of $6,000 in revolving credit card debt per household. Fed actions also tend to affect mortgage rates, so the pause in rate hikes was also welcome news to the residential real estate industry. That's the Greater Baton Rouge Skinny for this quarter. Check back next quarter for the latest.